Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage language workshops with GoAbroad step by step clearly. Begin by researching GoAbroad and its resources for language workshops. Create an account on the GoAbroad platform to access their tools and support. Familiarize yourself with the GoAbroad website and its offerings related to language workshops. Define your target audience for the language workshops you wish to manage. Choose the languages you want to focus on based on demand and audience interest. Determine the format of your workshops, such as online, in-person, or hybrid. Set clear objectives for what you want participants to achieve by the end of the workshop. Develop a curriculum or outline that covers essential topics and skills for each language. Consider engaging guest speakers or experienced instructors to enhance the workshop experience. Create promotional materials, including flyers and social media posts, to attract participants. Use GoAbroad's platform to list your workshops and increase visibility. Set a date and time for your workshops that accommodates your target audience. Implement an easy registration process through GoAbroad to streamline participant sign-ups. Communicate with participants before the workshop to provide necessary information and materials. Prepare any necessary resources, such as worksheets, videos, or presentations, ahead of time. Conduct the workshop, ensuring to engage participants and encourage interaction. Gather feedback from participants after the workshop to evaluate its effectiveness. Make improvements based on the feedback for future workshops. Continue to promote your workshops through GoAbroad and other channels to reach a wider audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.